Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you how to make custom menu bar on Wix. So let's get started. First, you have to go to wix.com, and if you don't have your account, you need to sign up. So this is what it looks like. Click the very first link or second link here. As you can see, sign up Wix. So you can sign up using your name, email address, password, confirm password. But if you want the easiest way to create an account, you can just simply connect your Google account or your Facebook account. For me, the easiest way is to click connect my account on Google. And this is what it looks like. So I have already my sites, and what I'm going to show you right now is I'm going to create a new site. I'm going to build another one, and then you can choose if you want to start chat or if you want to set up on your own. So I have to click the second one here. Now they will ask you what type of website do you want to create. So let's just say we're going to create online store website. And you just have to follow everything here. They want to be very specific with what store you want to build. Now, after that, you can start setting up your store. Specifically, you can start up with your store name right here. So, for example, I will be selling shoes. Okay, click continue. They will ask you, do you already have online store? You can say no. What kind of products you're selling? Physical products. And then they will ask you, how are you offering products? You just have to simply, answer all of it. And then you can now continue with your dashboard. So how would you like to design your website? Generate a website or design or pick a template. So as a beginner, you're going to select the second one, which is you're going to pick a template right here. So there are tons of templates here on Wix, and you just have to choose one that is, of course, matches to your store. So here's my site right here, and then this is what we call menu bar on Wix. So what we're going to do, or what I'm going to show you, is to create same as this one. Well, basically, to create a custom menu bar on Wix, you can use the Wix editor to customize the design and layout of your menu bar. So what you're going to do here, or what I'm going to show you, is I'm going to add another page, or let's just say add another section to show you how to add or create a custom menu bar. So click the plus icon, add elements. Here you can see tons of options. So what you're going to do is you have to scroll down and click menu and anchor. So as you can see, you can add theme menus, horizontal menus, vertical menus, hamburger menus, anchor, in-page menu, site search. And on the right side, you can see here horizontal menus, hamburger menus, which you can really see, or it's kind of visible. So you just have to select which one you like to add to your Wix editor. So let's just pick from horizontal menus. So as you can see here, this is what options you can click once you add this. So home, about, gallery, contact, and so on. So if you like this layout or design, all you have to do is to click and it will be added automatically to your Wix page. And now if you want to go back again, click the plus icon, then go to menu and anchor and select another one. So this time we're going to add again from horizontal. Let's just say per section here on your Wix page, you're going to add a custom menu bar. Okay, so let me click another one again. And then this time, we're going to simply change everything here. So if you want to edit this, or if you want to change something here on your menu bar, you just have to click. And then as you can see, there are options like manage menu bar, navigate, and so on. So if you click this manage menu bar, you can just simply tap this three dots if you want to edit this. Home, shop, sale, you can change this one and tap this three dots if you want to add some changes. You can add new page, new link, and paste it right here. For example, if you want to add web address, section, or anchor, you just have to click that one or tap this add page. If you want to add documents, if you want to add email address, and so on, you will see it right here. For example, I have added this welcome. Okay, and then once you're okay with that, click done. Then you will see this option here on your menu bar. You can also rearrange it by just dragging. So as you can see, welcome, home. And I'm going to put this, like for example, this down here. And that's it. So once you're done, you can just simply click the X icon and you will see the result right away. And like what I mentioned earlier, if you want to edit something, just tap the three dots. Okay, you can see your settings, SEO, and so on. So if you want to add page info, layout, permission, you just have to click the three dots and you will see this page settings right here. Standard, no header, everything is up to you. Permission, everyone, or if you want to create a password, for privacy purposes, everything is up to you. You can also see your SEO basics, advanced SEO, and so on. Okay, so same thing with the shop, sale, just click the three dots if you want to go to settings. So if I tap this one here, I can see this. I can change everything here. Okay, also same thing with the sale. And when it comes to changing like the page background, let's just say the color, the font, anything, you can just simply exit this part. Go back to your menu bar, tap this one. For example, for the welcome box or section only, you can click this and then tap this gear icon. So if you tap this and if you want to make some changes, for example, if you want to change the font size, the font color, something like that, you can just basically click this gear icon. Okay. Also with the layout, if you want to change the layout, just tap this one. You will see the options on the right side. Here you can change the spacing, alignment, drop down. Okay, the items, if you want to fill the whole menu, everything is up to you. So you can just basically change that when you tap at that specific section, specific box or word in this menu bar, and then click this layout, gear icon, and so on. For the design, if you want to change the design, just click this one. And again, you will see it on the right side. If you want to change the design to this, any of this right here, if you want to change the color, you just have to simply click and you can also customize it for background fields, for the color, okay, for gradient, for image. So just go to advanced settings, specifically menu design, and then there are tons of things that you can do here for your design. You can custom it if you want. So basically that's it. You just have to click that specific section or box or option right here and then go to layout, go to design, tap this. Tap this options beside this gear icon. You can see here customize borders. Okay, so there are a lot of things under menu container. So you just have to simply click and then change everything. So you will see the result right away here on your menu bar. So again, if you want to add a custom menu bar, just tap this plus icon or elements and then search for menu. Then you can add different theme, for example, horizontal or other options there. Meanwhile, or at this very moment, I chose the horizontal menu. And again, you can just hover and click effects for buttons or text, click design, adjust color, animation, and style. Then after that, you can just simply preview and adjust. So you can click preview to see how your menu looks and functions. If needed, go back to editor to make further adjustment. Then after everything, you can now publish your site. So basically, that's it. That's how easy it is to make custom menu bar on Wix. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.